Of course, Andres, kumusta? Anong aabangan kay Andres at sa Ashes dito sa Viva Arcada? Anong pasabog?
Yun nga, mamaya may performance kami, we're gonna do a duet and may solo din ako at may solo din si Asho. There's a lot to, daming naabangan. So, yun nga.
Kilig talaga. Kikiligin ng fans.
Yes.
Yes.
Tingnan natin. We'll see.
Ano yung mga behind the scenes na mga kilig moments together while preparing
Behind the scenes naman, we've just been rehearsing together, as a full unit, everyone, all the Viva One Stars are together, and yun nga, we've just been rehearsing and having fun and playing.
Andres, culmination ito ng fandom in a way. Kasi makikita mo na talaga lahat ng fans. Feeling mo kayo.
Ngayon, ako parang di ko rin masabi yung feeling ko ngayon kasi di ko pa alam eh. Alam ko din na parang mamaya pag nandiyan na yung fans and it gets loud, mas mo-feel ko yan. But for now, overall, I'm just excited din.
We were there from the start na yung contract signing pa, dun sa now.
To now.
More than a year.
Kaya nga.
More than a year.
How do you find the interest of people?
And the support from fans.
Overall, parang nothing has changed pa rin. Everything is still the same thing in my eyes. But above all is, I want to thank everyone that is supporting. Just not only me, but even my family, my sister, and even si Ash. I want to thank all of you guys that have been supporting us along this ride. It's really kakaiba talaga.
Yeah.
I would have never expected it to be like this, and I'm just truly grateful talaga for all the blessings.
Last na lang, Andres, kumusta yung minamahal? Tapos na yung shoot? How's the shoot? Anong dapat abangan?
Yes, so currently we're still shooting pa rin, pero matatapos na kami very soon. So, yun lang. A lot in store to everybody. Just kind of
Ganitong event, this is your way of giving back then sa fans from all the love and support that they've given you.
Ito sobrang, gusto ko talaga mag-perform talaga. Kaya parang, it's our way of giving back. Pero parang kahit paano, hini-help pa rin nila kaming ma-achieve kung ano yung gusto namin gawin. Kaya parang give and take, and hindi naman ito mangyayari talaga kung hindi dahil sa kanila. And yung nakikita nila na parang yung small or big wins namin, sobrang happy nila. And itong gagawin namin na to, ibigay talaga namin yung best namin kasi hindi talaga ito mangyayari hindi dahil sa support na binigay nila sa amin. Uy, grabe.
Ano yung pinaka-shocking na nalaman mo? May India pa pala.
Oo, tapos yung iba mga ano pa sila ng black screening. Kaya sobrang
Sa ibang bansa to?
Correct.
sobrang nakakagulat po talaga. Sa Dubai meron. And kahit hindi lang sa Dubai, kahit sa mga provinces, meron din. Kaya sobrang natutuwa kami kasi hindi namin in-expect na maraming nagmamahal sa amin. And yun talaga yung importante na minamahal nila kami kasi iba yung feeling na maraming sumusuporta sa'yo, maraming masaya sa mga achievements.
Pero saan anong mga countries yung nakakatanggap ka ng messages?
Halos madami sa India.
India.
India talaga.
Hindi ka Pilipino, di ba?
Opo, and halos yung kahit yung mga edits sa TikToks na
Correct.
yung mga songs sa
Correct.
mga
Gumagawa.
Oo, sila na talaga. Kaya sobrang nakakatuwa.
So message mo nga sa fans
Correct.
here and abroad.
Yes, to our supporters, thank you so much for loving and supporting us, for always giving us your time and effort to support us, and we really hope to meet you all soon. Thank